Nickname is Nikki, but my name ain't Nicole. Name ain't Nicole.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So it's Friday, which means it's Face Chart Friday. And I know I look crazy, but actually I'm not wearing any foundation. I have on primer, and I did my eyebrows and primed my eyes clearly. Why? Because some people have asked to see the process of what foundation I use and how I do my foundation, which is not, I don't do anything different than anyone else, I don't think. But, you know, for the sake of pleasing everyone, or trying to, I decided I'll do my foundation in this video. Today is another Rachel Face Chart Friday video. I was sent a picture, actually multiple pictures, because she's doing some challenge thing that I just checked up on it today. She does this, she's gonna post some type of look every Sunday, and then you create it, and the ones she likes the most, she's going to post them. I'm not participating in the challenge, but I did like the look, so that's what I'm going to be recreating today. If you are new to my channel, every Friday I do Face Chart Fridays. Before it was Milk 1422, and the last week and this week are Rachel Face Charts. So, you know, it changes. Sometimes people tag me and send me, and I do them within reason, because, you know, I have to go to work with these eye looks, which is why if you sent me one and it was like really intricate and detailed and there was stuff all over the face and I haven't done it yet, it's because I'm saving those for like vacations or something where I don't have to work on a Friday, because I can't wear that to work and I don't want to do it and have to take it off and then try to do another look for work. So yeah, if you sent me one, don't worry, I got it. It's in a folder on my phone. I got it. But yeah, enough talking, let's get started. People also want to know which brushes I use, although I use the same brushes every time, so I feel like saying it every video will get annoying. But for the sake of this, and trying to please everyone again, even though I'm not really trying to please everyone, if that makes sense, but whatever, I'm going to be using Morphe E14, as well as the rest of the brushes are going to be mermaid brushes that I ordered from a website called AliExpress. So they have no numbers, there are no names, they're just mermaid tail brushes. And I will leave the link to actually the ones that I got. They're sold out, but they have more. So I'll just leave that link in the description box so you can check out the brushes that I'm using. But as far as putting on my transition color from the Beauty Killer palette, I am using the Morphe E14. For the rest of the video, the brushes are going to be my mermaid brushes. So yeah, there's that.
You wanna stop it, I clock it every day 1:45. And if you just happen to be round much after lunch, I can take my break real soon for you. I'm always early shift on a weekend. If you want something sweet, and I can feed your appetite. And if you want slice of baked heaven, I'm here till 11 tonight. Do you wanna taste my pie? 'Cause it's especially sweet. And though the oven's high, I always turn up the heat. I know you're trying to diet, but you're eyeing everything that you see. So there ain't no someone to confide in, and your secrets safe with me, just in case you wanna stop in. I clock in every day 1:45. And if you just happen to be round much after lunch, I can take my break real soon. For you, I'm always early shift on the weekend. If you want something sweet, and I can feed your appetite. And if you want a slice of baked heaven, I'm here till 11 tonight. I like my coffee black. Tell me, how do you like yours? I saw you sneak a snack. Do you want a second course? Oh, you keep on coming back each time we open the doors. Yeah, you've been on my mind. So can you tell me, have I been on yours? Just in case you wanna stop it, I clock in every day 1:45.
So the look is not done at all. I am going to finish my foundation so that I can do the under eye. So, we're back.
I can take my break real soon. For you, I'm always early shift on the weekend. If you want something sweet, and I can feed your appetite. And if you want a slice of baked heaven, I'm here till 11 tonight. Do you wanna taste my pie? 'Cause it's especially sweet. And though the oven's high, I always turn up the heat. I know you're trying to diet, but you're eyeing everything that you see. So there ain't no use in hiding. You need someone to confide in, and your secrets safe with.
For highlighter today, I'm going to be using the Jeffree Star Mini MUA Uranus and the Morphe M531 brush.
And if you just happen to be round much after lunch, I can take my break real soon. For you, I'm always early shift on the weekend. If you want something sweet, and I can feed your appetite. And if you want a slice of baked heaven, I'm here till 11 tonight.
Okay, so the lip color that's in this face chart, I do not own, well, I own one, but I don't know where it is. I think I left it at work. So instead of using ColourPop Tool, which is what I was going to use, but I'm pretty sure that's at work, I am going to use Catch Feels. So, yeah.
Sneak a snack. Do you want a second course? Oh, you keep on coming back each time we open the doors. Yeah, you've been on my mind. So can you tell me, have I been on yours? Just in case you wanna stop it, I clock in every day 1:45. And if you just
And this is the finished look. I actually didn't do it on camera though because I decided at the last minute. I added a Jeffree Star liquid lip in Family Jewels just here and here just to make it more, I don't know, what's the word? Like, I don't know, like just to add some depth and whatnot to the look. So yeah, I actually like this a lot. And at first I didn't think I would like the lip with the eyes, but I do this all the time, as in like some eye color and then this type of lip. Why? Because that's just me. That's just my style. If you don't like it, that's unfortunate. I mean, I'm not gonna say sorry. I'm just gonna say that's unfortunate. The highlight here and here is Fenty Beauty, Trophy Wife, Kilowatt, blah 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 blah. Everything else I've shown in the video. I even showed my foundation, because I combined two. One is from Shop Miss A, the other is e.l.f. And yeah, that's it. I did not put lashes on for this look this time. Last week I did. This week I didn't because I was at work feeling like I was gonna fly away. I don't want to fly away, so I'm not putting any lashes on. Again, if you want to see me try a face chart or a look, you can just tag me in it on Instagram. My Instagram handle is always in the description box. So that's it for this video. I am going to go and film another video. So I'll see you next time. Bye.